Hello guys, I am here to guide you how to connect your WooCommerce app. First of all, starting with the navigation bar, you just have to find the WooCommerce and then go to the setting. After that, you have to press on advanced button and scroll down and you can see here REST API. Click on that. After that, you have to add key here and you can put any description you want to and generate the API key. Here you can see you have the consumer key, consumer secret. After that, and find the level up marketplace. Here you have to search for the WooCommerce. Click on install button. A pop-up will appear where you can add it to the agency and it will be added to all the locations. But in this, I am just adding one location. It is installing. As you can see here, app successfully installed. After that, switch to that location. Here you can find the page. Search for installed apps and click on the configured button. Here you can see the consumer key, the consumer secret, and the URL. First of all, for the consumer key, we have to copy that. We have to paste there, copy the consumer secret, and now for the URL, it is behind the slash bar and adds nz.com and submit it. And you can see credentials saved successfully. We can find the app in automations. Click on automations and after that you can have to just click on the create workflow, start from scratch. As you can see, here is the workflow. Click on the plus button and here you can find your app. Here is the WooCommerce and here is the WooCommerce and you can see the app is installed and you can use this section.